Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting your Thinktrader, also known as ThinkMarkets, account directly to TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to place trades, manage your portfolio, and access your Thinktrader account features right from the TradingView platform, which is a huge convenience for active traders. So if you love TradingView's charts but prefer to execute through ThinkMarkets, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to have an active ThinkMarkets account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to head over to the ThinkMarkets website and get signed up. But if you do, make sure you're fully logged into your ThinkMarkets account in your web browser. It's really important that you're logged in beforehand, because TradingView is going to need to access your ThinkMarkets credentials to establish the connection. Go ahead and double-check that you're logged in. Sometimes, especially if your browser has timed out, you might not realize you've been logged out, so it's worth making sure. Once you've confirmed that, turn your attention over to TradingView. Open up TradingView in your browser as usual and sign into your TradingView account. Now look towards the bottom of your TradingView screen for the Trading Panel tab. You'll find it on the lower panel, usually next to Pine Editor or Strategy Tester, depending on how your workspace is set up. Give the Trading Panel button a click. This is where TradingView lets you link your charting with actual brokers, which is super handy. When the Trading Panel expands, you'll see a bunch of broker logos and names. In the search field or by scrolling, look for ThinkMarkets. Sometimes the name can be a little confusing because you might see Thinktrader or ThinkMarkets. These are essentially the same, so don't let that throw you off. As soon as you spot ThinkMarkets, click on it. This just tells TradingView which broker you want to connect with. After you click on ThinkMarkets, you'll notice a Connect button. Just go ahead and click that. At this point, you might see a window or pop-up that asks for permission or wants you to log into ThinkMarkets. If you were already logged in like we discussed earlier, this step should be really smooth. You'll probably just be asked to confirm that you want to allow TradingView to access your ThinkMarkets account. This is just standard security protocol, a bit like when you connect two apps on your phone and they want you to confirm it's really you. If you have two-factor authentication set up, there might be an extra verification step. Don't worry, just follow the prompts. Give it a few moments to process the connection. Sometimes it's nearly instant, and sometimes it takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once you're connected, you should be able to see your ThinkMarkets account balance and portfolio right inside TradingView. Now you can place trades directly from TradingView's charts, which is a massive time saver, not to mention how much more streamlined your overall workflow will be. And that's all there is to it. Connecting Thinktrader to TradingView is straightforward, but it unlocks a lot of powerful integrated features. If you follow these steps, you're all set up and ready to execute trades with way more flexibility. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming tutorials. And if you get stuck at any step, or if you've got questions about using TradingView and ThinkMarkets together, drop your questions in the comments. I love helping out and I always check the discussion section. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.